Hello friends, today we'll see easy and quick hair decoration with the beautiful flowers. Don't wait, let's get started. Yeah, you look at these beautiful flowers. Today I bought it from the Walmart. Yeah, if you look at them, they look like a mini roses, right? Yeah, but these are not the roses. This plant is called Kalanchow. Look at this beautiful yellow color. I liked it very much. So I'm using these flowers to decorate my daughter's hair. So let's see. Here I'm doing two-step braids. Okay. First I'm making the first braid on her crown part. I'm taking the first partition and then I'm making the first braid out of it. So it should come on your crown part, then it will look good. Okay, so first I'm taking 3 partitions and then making the normal simple braid. So let's make for her hair. I'm making 5 braids. If you want, you can try with the French braid also. That also it looks so beautiful. Because I don't have, because Chuki came in the middle of her school, so I have selected the small, like simple hairstyle. Now I'm taking the second braid. I'm collecting the rest of her hair and then I'm making the second braid. Here you have to make sure the first one and the second one are aligned, so they should come in the straight line. So then only the hairstyle looks good if you decorate with those flowers. So now also I'm making the simple normal braid. If you want, you can try fishtail also in the second part. I'm securing with the rubber band. So you can make little loose so that the flowers will be in place. See, this is how it looks like after the braids. So those 2 braids come in the straight line. I'm using these U-pins to secure the flowers because these are so small they can't stand in place. So I'm using these U-pins. I'm starting with the top braid. First you have to place the flower and then you secure softly, because this flowers are so soft. I'm using U-pins. If you want, you can use slide pin also in case you are using big roses. So I'm leaving two braids in between and then decorating one more flower. So here the tip is you have to follow the same, in case you are using one braid in between, you have to follow the same method. Here I'm using 2 braids in between, so I'm following the same method from top to bottom. I think for my daughter's hair I used 5 to 6 flowers. If you have the long hair, long braids, then you can use more flowers. See, you can have a closer look and a 360-degree view. and she's saying hi to everyone. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And yeah, this is the long. You can also try this simple hairstyle with different flowers and different brides, and try it home and let me know your comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.